place. Move the part to the right place. Ready. First, we have to fill it. Truck. Done. Let's take this old house away. Now we need to wash it clean. Truck. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Garbage truck. Keep up the good work. Filling. Garbage truck. Try another color. Amazing! Let's get rid of the trash. Tap the screen to keep building. Tap the screen to keep building. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Drag the grinding tool over the stain and it will clean the rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! You're doing really great. We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep it up. Filling. Drop side truck. Ready. Let's get the foundation and the stream ready. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Hooray! Filling. Drop side truck. Amazing! Let's build the machines. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. Hooray! We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Let's build the walls. Tap the screen to keep building. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. Run the washer over the machine and clean up the rest of the foam. You're doing really great. Assemble. Drop side truck. Move the part to the right place. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. Amazing! Let's build the water wheel. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Continue building. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep up the good work. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Lift crane. Move the part to the right place. Don't stop. Filling. Lift crane. Keep up the good work. Let's place the roof. Lift crane. Hooray! We have to assemble. Drop side truck. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Tap the screen to keep building. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Tap the screen to keep building. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Done! Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Paver. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Paver. way! Let's start building the road. We need to wash paper. Drag the foamer around the machine to soap it up. We did it! First, we need to assemble. Roller. Drag the part to its place. Drag the part to its place. Drag the part to its place. Move the part to the right place. Don't stop! Put the refueling gun in the tank. Install the refueling gun in the tank. Amazing! Let's finish the road. Let's fix the rusting. Drag the grinding tool over the stain and it will clean the rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Don't stop! We did it! First, we need to assemble. Lift crane. Done! Filling. Lift crane. Pump. We did it! Now we need to wash it clean. Lift crane. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Pickup truck. Don't stop. Filling. Pickup truck. Ready. Let's decorate our mill. Tap the screen to keep building. The new water mill is complete. You're doing a great job. You're doing really great.